Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Elon Musk has just announced the Tesla Motorhome project, a groundbreaking product that merges cutting-edge technology, luxury, and eco-friendliness. Musk has hinted at this idea for a while with the goal of creating a fully electric, zero-emission motorhome that eliminates the need for traditional fuel sources. The 2025 Tesla Motorhome is expected to revolutionize mobile living by combining luxury and travel in a revolutionary way. This motorhome's smooth copper finish and flowing, aerodynamic lines will allow it to easily navigate even the most difficult terrains in addition to taking over city streets. The design will be the ideal fusion of performance, energy efficiency, and elegance. It is anticipated that the motorhome's interior would provide an entirely new way of life. Travelers will be welcomed with an atmosphere that rivals upscale hotel suites' tasteful hardwood panels, soft beige seats, and a simple yet contemporary design. At night, the LED lighting system will produce a cozy, welcoming glow that will make your trip seem like home. The ergonomic sitting will be made to be as comfortable as possible, making it ideal for working or eating on the go. Meal preparation will be quick and fashionable while traveling thanks to the kitchen's upscale amenities, roomy workstation, and slick wooden flooring. A large sleeping area at the back will offer the perfect setting for restful slumber. Large windows will let in plenty of natural light during the day, and the calm, comfortable ambience will ensure a restful night's sleep. The Tesla Motorhome is expected to surpass its rivals in terms of technology. With solar panels providing additional travel possibilities through renewable energy, this electric vehicle is anticipated to have a 500-mile range on a full charge. Traveling will be made easier and safer thanks to autonomous driving technology, which will completely transform the experience. Although Tesla has not formally announced this model, industry forecasts indicate that it may make its debut as early as 2025. The beginning price is expected to be approximately $250,000, but this might increase with further customization options and technology. The appearance of a motorhome such as this in the near future appears less like a far-fetched idea and more like an inevitable evolution of the automotive industry, especially considering Tesla's continuous record of revolutionary breakthroughs. Tesla Motorhome in 2025 $2,025 Tesla Motorhome price. 2025 Tesla Motorhome review, new Tesla Motorhome performance of Tesla Motorhomes, new models, and features of 2025 models. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.